acting like it free up, when behind closed doors them plotting to destroy us with them restrictions, unfair tax collections. Here comes the policeman, the enforcer of Babylon runs. Well, October know how to make marijuana rain. Grow so big, people say that's insane. Read so high, straight up to the sky. Still they golden goose and make Babylon cry. Legally, in a Rasta harmony. Yes, we growing legally, in a Rasta harmony. Hey, I got a green thumb. Anything I plant, it just rise to the sun. Mama teach me that from I was very, very young. She raised I and I to be a shining sun. So now I got the talent for raising trees. Tell me why you wanna put a cap on me. The earth need the greens, be all you can be. Big propaganda on the THC, trying to profit from the CBDs. Stop placing LAWs on me. Smoke and mirror, but you can't fool us, cause we no put we trust in a them gold rush. Them give it wrong information. Love of Rastafari, inspiration, keeping the struggle alive and strong. Little you go sing out the freedom song. Trees blooming in my backyard with ease. Legally, growing legally. Hey, I got 4 little marijuana trees blooming in my backyard with ease. Legally, in a Rasta harmony. Hey, me tell you this. See them revealing them one bag of tricks. Beware of them who come bearing gifts. Gonna sing it like it's a perfect storm. Lyrical installation keep you nice and warm. Opinion of one can make a million strong. There is no filter when I speak. Typhoon word blow your ego off the street, yo. Hey, some people don't like it when we type it. With a billion views, YouTube